Hey y'all, it's your girl Muka back with another video. If you like this makeup look, then continue watching and I will make sure to have everything described down below or somewhere on the screen. So the first palette I'm going to use is the ZULU palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this orange shade. I'm just going to apply that into my crease just like that. Also, the brush that I'm using is from LA Colors and I believe it's the large eyeshadow brush. Yeah. And the second color I'm going to use is this pink shade right here. I'm just going to apply that underneath my crease and kind of like, tap that in there.
New York City where we born and we still here. Pineapple Express just to clear some air. Never fear, man, with fear. Tick tock, time ticking, I don't care.
Now I'm just taking my Morphe M433 brush and I'm just blending those two colors together. Now I'm just repeating the same steps that I did to my right eye to my left eye.
So many down thoughts that I let go. I was eating off the failure slow, yeah. Act like they ain't know me, now they wanna be my homie. Used to blame producers for me, now I blame myself. Don't tip the engineer.
Going back in the same palette, I'm gonna take this brown shade right here and I'm gonna use the M433 brush to kind of blend that brown color into my crease. So I'm just blending all those colors together.
Seconds, what you fucking with? Pull up in a black whip, in an all black fit, so far blasted, ounce I matched it.
Now I'm taking Too Faced, the Best Year Ever palette. Love this palette. And I'm just gonna go in, take this shade called Pine Cone and apply that into my crease. And the brush that I'm using is the Y22 brush.
In a white tee, I could bag a bitch in a white tee. New York born nigga, born a Yankee. Babe Ruth, take your
and again, we're gonna blend, and turn up.
Ain't shit change, you still lame. Ain't shit change, you still lame.
Benjamin's bending my rubber bands.
And again, repeat to the other eye.
With Neverland, fucking a bitch from the Netherlands. She just is. I was a popping bitch. Bottle Fiji, but it's super sting. Novocaine. Diamond water dripping pussy wet and wild. I'm my social daughter. I was splashing slaughter. Luke, I am your father. You know.
So as I'm actually blending the pine cone into my crease, I'm also dragging it out to my outer V and packing the color in there as well.
Bad girl bitch in a black tee. All of my brothers they get fleed. Pokeball pop in the sheets.
Now I'm taking my Desert Dust palette from Huda Beauty and I'm taking the color Amethyst and I'm just gonna apply that onto my lid, like my inner lid / mid lid. Yeah. And I'm using the Modern Renaissance brush, like the brush that comes in the actual palette, and I'm just applying that. Once I'm done applying that amethyst color, I'm gonna go back in the Huda Beauty palette and I'm gonna take Royal. It's like a shimmer color, and I'm gonna just apply that right on top of where I put amethyst.
Where Kiki, getting higher than heaven. Getting higher than heaven. I'm by my revenue.
Now I'm taking Plum Pudding and I'm just gonna put that in my mid outer corner of my eyes and have that just like transition into the other colors. And once I'm done, I'm just gonna grab the M433 brush again and I'm just gonna blend everything together. And then if I need to add anything, then I'll do so. And then off camera, I put my eyeliner and my lashes, and this is the completed look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.
I know you love me, baby, but you not gonna ever change me.